I'm going to be playing a song called Star of the County Down, which is a traditional Irish song. And because I'm a slacker, I don't have it memorized, so you'll forgive me if I use my phone. Onward sped, sure I shook my head, and I looked with a feeling rare. Then I said, says I, to a passerby, who's the maid with the nut brown hair? He smiled at me and he says to me, she's the gem of old Ireland's crown. She's young Rose McCann from the banks of the Bann. She's the star of the county down. From Bantry Bay up to Derry Quay, from Galway to Dublin town. No maid I've seen like the brown colleen that I met in the county down. Well, I traveled a bit, but I never was hit since my roving career began. But fair and square I surrendered there to the charms of young Rose McCann. I were part-led and no tenant yet did I see in shawl or gown. But in she went, and I asked no rent from the star of the county down. From Bantry Bay up to Derry Quay, from Galway to Dublin town. No maid I've seen